Hello, this is James again from Demark. Today we're going to be testing 1 kilowatts laser machine pass pipe on the pins on the top panel and this one. And you can take a look of the machine. So you can see using laser power, laser frequency, and the laser pass width and mirror frequency. So you can just change them here, and we can just type 1 kilowatts. Okay, so this, and so you can see also change other language. So this is the control system, and here is the laser source. So the laser source is JPT laser source, and this is the chiller, which will just make a temperature for the laser source. And this one is and here this one is the control, and this one is laser cleaning head. Is 2 axes, so you can store different patterns. So today we'll just test 1 kilowatts pass type laser machine on our panel. So this is common top panel, and we'll use the 1 kilowatts laser pass type laser machine to clean this panel, and we'll just do test. Okay, so now there's our engineer to show you. So this is 1 kilowatts cleaning effect. So see, this is 15 centimeters. And there is no heat effect. If you are interested, please contact us. Thank you for your time.